Good morning, everybody. So early start, cracking on there. As you can see, it's not been too easy because one side is different to the other side. One beam, wooden beam, higher than the other, so it was throwing them right out. But they've just got to try and make it so that the window fits in nice and secure. Mark's just gone up to fetch the central piece that fits in, just like butter, hopefully. Back's aching a little bit this morning with the weight of shifting all that, manhandling them from one side to other. Good job we've got the JCB here, really. It saved a lot of weight and a lot of messing about. So yeah, middle bit's just going in now. See how it all fits then. So
can't see it.
when we were finding when you were digging the stones out, everybody's been asking about what date the barn is, and
We found a date on one of the stones.
yeah,
1692.
yeah, 1692. So obviously that's just come out of the barn, and so we're presuming that must be the date of it. So that's a good find, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're going to take that back down home, aren't you? And then I think
what I'm going to do is try and clean it up, get the number to stick out a bit more, and it might go in my big window opening,
yeah,
so we can see it from eye level.
That'd be good.
in the front.
In the front, where
Yeah.
where the entrance is.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Is Dad going to chop it down as well, or is he just cleaning it up? You're not shortening it down, are you?
No, I don't think so.
No. Okay. Just
No,
making
they'll
sure.
put that in somewhere when the windows is going in
Cool.
and the door.
So there you go, everybody. Bit more history in the making.
Hello, everybody.
Hi again. So
Big step.
big step. Lots done.
Stonemason finished,
Yeah.
and it's really nice.
This was the last big thing to do, wasn't it? This big opening.
Yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare, really.
Took some doing, didn't it?
Yeah, getting the beam out and all that was alright, but building it back up, getting it levelled, it took him quite some time to do it, but it's stunning. It's really nice.
Because the wall, the beam up there and that one was out. So that basically threw all the window out. So they just concentrated on then just getting the inside straight and level, ready to put the
Granite lintels on.
granite lintels on and ready just to put the window in. So they concentrated on just doing it for the window. Yeah, it looks really good now.
It is nice. Them two, from outside it looks amazing. So, yeah.
And then we found the stone date, didn't we?
Yeah, got that up. That's in the centre of the granite.
You cleaned all that up, didn't you?
Yep.
It's cleaned up really nice actually, and it fits in really well with all the rest of the keeping with the stonework. He was having to work with little stone around.
Yeah, there's a bit of all sorts in there.
They couldn't put big in because the rest of the wool wasn't in big stone
in
either,
big
is
stones,
it?
so they have to camouflage it all together. But no, it looks really nice.
It's really nice,
Happy
and as
with
you've
it.
seen with the photos, you know, when you look through there, how amazing it is, isn't it? So really happy with it.
Yeah.
So yeah. So the next project now.
Yep.
It's
Yeah.
coming on really well. It's coming on really fast, and
It is getting on pretty good.
yeah. So until the next project,
Yep.
we'll see you all again soon.
Yep.
Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for watching. See ya.
Ta-ra!